Hey, what's going on, everybody? So as you can see, we're in the new shop. This is going to be the first build video in the shop. I have done a shop tour briefly. Link up here if you haven't seen it. We're going to build a custom ping pong paddle with some exotic woods for my little brother for Christmas, even though this video is probably posted after Christmas. So if you want to see how to do it, let's stick around.
So I guess you live and you learn. The engraving on the handle didn't turn out as well as I wanted to because of the two woods. But here's a sample of what it looked like when I just did it in solid Bacote. I think this actually looked better simply because the Seth is all in one wood and not as difficult to read as it is in the actual handle. So that's something I guess to keep in mind for the next one, and maybe come up with a different way to do it.
Hold on.
Easy, easy. What is it?
A ping pong paddle. Yeah, dude.
I made it.
You made that?
Yeah.
My daddy made it for me.
Cool, dude.
You play ping pong, I assume?
Every day. Thanks, dude. Thank you guys.
So thank y'all for sticking around to the end of the video. If you liked it, click that thumbs up button. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, so you can keep up to date with my future videos. Like I said earlier in the video, I am in a new shop, and I did post a shop tour last week. So if you haven't seen it, I'll put a link right here where you can go check it out. Also, I will have links down below to materials I use, such as the rubber on the paddle and the tape that goes around the paddle, and a link to Total Boat Epoxy if you want to go check out what they have. But thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see y'all next time.